Yes, Prajwal.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I am course ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Screen share ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Okay, okay.
ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು.
Yes, good afternoon, students. Right. We have started our session with binomial theorem earlier, and we have solved 3-4 problems. Yeah, I think only 4 problems, 4-5 problems are over, right? Yeah. And now we'll continue the session. Right. Let me start with question number 4. Question number 4. Yes. We have to calculate, we have to find A0, A1, A4, A2n. Sum of even, right? Only even. We want here the sum of even coefficients. So for that we'll do, always when they ask you to find out the coefficients, you just plan this one. What is that? Put x equal to 1 in the given equation. So this will become 1 minus 1 plus 1 whole power n, which is equal to A0 plus A1 plus A2 plus, since x equal to 1, you will left with all the binomial coefficients. Okay. Now, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. It is 1 power n now. So what is the remaining term? It is A0. What we got here? A0 plus A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to A2n as 1. Okay. Now put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. This will be very easy to calculate. Yeah. When you want odd and even term, you have all the sum of all the binomial coefficients, but you want only even now. For that you have to substitute for x equal put x equal to minus 1 in the given equation. And what happens? 1 minus of minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square whole power n, which is equal to A0 minus A1, because if you put x equal to minus 1 here, this will become minus A1 plus A2 minus A3 plus A4. Similarly, because of this A2n is an even term, you will get plus a2n. Okay. Now, let me write it once again in the proper way. That is a0 minus a1 plus a2 minus a3. Similarly, a2n is equal to, this will be minus into minus will be 1, and this is also 1. We'll get 3 power n here. Okay. Now, if you simplify the whole term, this term and this term, right? A1 and A1 will be get cancelled. A3 cancelled. All odd terms will get cancelled here. And you will left out with only even terms. That is 2 times of A0, 2 times of A2 that I have taken common as 2 as common, and etc. A2n after taking 2 common in all the terms, which is equal to, I'm adding these two, therefore it is 1 plus 3 power n. And answer is a0 plus a2 plus etc. plus a2n is equal to 3 power n plus 1 divided by 2 is the answer. Very important one. Remember to put x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 to get the sum of the even coefficients and sum of odd coefficients. Okay. Now, yes. Let me move on to the next problem. The sum of the coefficients in the expansion of. If you expand this, you will get more than 3148 terms, right? Because there are 3 terms are there. And when, remember this, when they ask you to find out sum of the coefficients, you have to put x equal to 1. Just that's it. When they ask you only odd coefficient and even coefficients, then you have to put x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. Then you have to simplify. Okay, right. If you put x equal to 1, 1 plus 1 minus 3 whole power 3148, which is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, whole power 3148, which is equal to plus 1 is the answer. Option C. Option C is the answer. Okay, right. I think all of you are comfortable now. Yes. Yes, Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲೋನೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಫೋನ್ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಲೇಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Mohan. Yeah, somebody is. No, you can go back and you can change your name when you enter into using the ID. ID change ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ Zoom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You can change your name. Yes. Right. Yeah. And I'm able to chat only privately. No, no, no. You are chatting with the host only. Yeah. I can make it.
Anna,
Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's move on to the next question now. Right. 100% one question will be from this chapter. Yes. Let me move on to the next question. Middle term. The middle term in the expansion of, we have studied in the last class, middle term and all, right? Middle term in the expansion. 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube whole power 6. The middle term ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to find out the middle term, right? Okay. So for that, see here, I told you already 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. See here, like this. And you can see this pattern here inside 1, 3, 3, 1. So because of that reason, I can write the whatever term is there inside that I can write it as 1 plus x whole cube. And whole power 6, what is there? We have 6. So 1 plus x, I can write this as whole power 18. Yeah. When you have 18 terms, you can divide this by 2, you will get 9 plus 1 is the middle term. 10th term is the middle term that we have discussed in the last session, right? 10th term is the middle term of the given binomial or biquadrat trinomial or trinomial. Sorry, trinomial. It is not trinomial. We have 4 terms here, polynomial with 4 terms, right? Okay. T10 is the answer. One, 3, 3, 1 is there. What is the 1 cube? Is I can write it as 1. And x cube, I can write it as x whole cube. Okay, right, whole power 6. And 6 3s are 18. 1 plus x whole power 18. You have to divide that by 2. 18 by 2. Okay. 9 plus 1, that is 10th term is the middle term. Yes. Let's move on to the next problem. The number of terms in the expansion of, how many number of terms are there? In the expansion of 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube, the similar type of expansion is there, right? Correct? Yeah. Whatever inside is there, I can write it as what? 1 plus x whole cube. Whole power 7 is there. 1 plus x whole power 21, which is equal to how many number of terms are there? If the power is 21, the number of terms are 1 more than that. Number of terms is equal to n plus 1, that is 21 plus 1, which is equal to 22. How it is possible? See here, a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? How many terms are there? 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 more than 2. Correct? And what is a plus b whole power 1 formula? A plus b. How many terms are there? 2. The power is 1, right? Similarly, if you have a power 21, 1 more than that, that is 22 is the answer for question number 9. Next. Question number 10. If 1 plus ax whole power n is equal to 1 plus 8x plus 24x square dot dot dot, then the value of a and n are, Okay, let me expand this. All we know how to expand the binomial, right? So let me expand this, then we'll see. Okay, since because of 1 power n, which will be 1 only always, and this will be 1 power n minus 1, that will be as it is. Okay, and before that we have to write nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3 like this, right? And 1 power n, 1 power n minus 1, 1 power n minus 2, which is 1 only, always. Next. And we have to write the another, that is a x whole power 0, ax whole power 1 plus ax whole power 2, ax whole power 3. This we have to consider. Now, what is NC0? If it is 0 is there, answer is 1, right? 1, and this is also 1. The overall it is 1. We have 1 here. No problem with that, right? Now we have 8x. So this is 1, no problem. NC1 is when there is 1 in the combination, you have to write the same thing, because 8C1 is 8, 7C1 is 7, 6C1 is 6, like that. So it is n only. And the remaining term is ax. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x here? 8. Here it is NA. NA is equal to 8, or AN is equal to 8. Now tell me, what are those two numbers a and n? They have given a, n here, a and n, a, n, a, n. If you multiply these two, wherever you get 8, that will be your answer. Which is that term which multiply and it gives 8 as the answer. It is option A. Just simplifying with only for the second term, you will get the answer directly. Okay, AN is equal to 8. Next, AN is equal to 8. Got it? Move on to next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. The greatest coefficient in the expansion of. Always, for the term 1 plus x whole power n, the greatest term coefficient will be in the middle term. Right? Now we have to find out the middle term. What is that middle term? How many terms are there totally? So 24. Let me take 24 divided by 2. How much? 12. One more than that. How much? T13 is the middle term. To get T13, what is the R value? I have told you the formula. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus R, a power R is the answer. Okay. This is the formula for TR. T12 is how much? 24C12. This is the R value. 24C12 must be there. Option D is the right answer. Okay. T13. Option D is the right answer. Right? Yes. So always for this term, the middle term will be the greatest coefficient, right? Because you can see here in when you expand this binomial coefficient 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, see here, middle term is the biggest term, 3, 3, 1. Middle terms are biggest, greatest. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. See here, this is the biggest. So middle term will be always the greatest term will be in the middle term. So I have to find out here middle term. The middle term is T13. So T13 is 24, C12. No need to calculation. No need to go for further calculation. You can decide here only. Yeah. Question number 12. Question number 12. The coefficient of x power 13 in the expansion of the coefficient of x power 13 in the expansion of 1 minus x whole power 5 into 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power 4. Let me simplify this. This is a little bit lengthy. We'll solve this. Yeah. Whole power 4 is there, right? Let me write first two terms as it is. And if I take x common in the other two, x square, let me take x square common, right? I will left out, no, I think it is better to take x square common. This will, you will get x, 1 plus x, right? I have to write the first two term as it is. Next, if I take x square common, you will get 1 plus x. If you take again 1 plus x common, this will be 1 plus x whole power 4 and you will left with 1 plus x square whole power 4. I will split this 4 for the both the terms after taking 1 plus x common, right, into 1 minus x whole power 5. Now, let me split this into 1 minus x into 1 minus x whole power 4 into 1 plus x whole power 4 into 1 plus x square whole power 4 as it is. If you combine these two, what happens then? A plus b into a minus b, since the powers are same. So you can write this as 1 square minus x square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square whole power 4. Okay. Now, so since these two have the power same, I can write this as 1 minus x power 4 whole power 4. Is that okay? Yes. 1 minus x into 1 minus x power 4 whole power 4. Right? Now they want the coefficient of x power 13. For that we have to expand. See here how to expand the term. See here, if you want to expand 1 plus x whole power 4, you just need to write this 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. That is Pascal triangle coefficients. Because of the power is 4, you have to follow this row. That is 1 4 6 4 1. Then you need to raise the power x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4. If you have positive sign in between, you need to write plus everywhere. If it is 1 minus x whole power 4, it is very easy to write 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 like this. After that, x square, x cube, x power 4 like this. Then you write alternate plus and minus. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Here like this. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Got it? Now, So because of this reason, why I have explained this, because of this power 4. How to expand that? It is very easy. 1 x power 4, x power 8, x power 12, x power 16, x power 4, 4 is 16. You have to stop here. Then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is how you have to expand. Now, how for which term you want here? X power 13. We want the coefficient of x power 13. To get that, now you check for multiplication of x and x power 12, you will get x power 13. Only when you multiply x with x power 12, you will get the answer, right? For this, minus x into minus 4x power 12, that will give you plus 4x power 13. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x power 13? It is 4 is the answer. Example ತುಂಬಾ easy ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟನೂ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. I'll solve all the examination problems. That will be very easy. So this is little bit lengthy. So ಈ ಥರದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. X power 13, right? You have to concentrate on simplifying all these. Yeah. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌದು. ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಯರ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಅದೇ ಥರದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಯಾ, right? Let me move on to question number 13. The coefficients of x power 5 in 1 plus x square whole power 5 into 1 plus x whole power 4. Yeah. For that, I have to expand both, otherwise it is not possible. And we don't have any chance to take factors and multiply, right? So let me expand that. Expansion tumba easy ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು easy expansion. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Then you are expanding whole power 5. That I have explained in the last class, that that is Pascal's triangle, right? Pascal's triangle. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. But remember all that. And whole power 4 is there, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And expand. Right here, x square. And rise double, x power 4. Triple, x power 6. 4 times, that is x power 8. X power 10. See here, 2 5s are 10. That should be as the last term. Now, x square, x cube, x power 4. Is that okay? And since positive sign in between, write down all positive. All terms are positive like this. Okay? Now, yeah, the x power 5 coefficient. To get x power 5, you need to multiply 1 with x power 5 only. We don't have any x power 5 term, that is why I will leave this one. Okay. Next, 4x is there. I have to multiply this with x power 4. Then only we'll get x power 5. That is 40 x power 5. Next, I think for any other form, it is not possible. Taking x square, I think it is not possible, right? X cube, you can multiply with this x square and you can get it 20 x power 5. And x power 4, with x power 4, you need to have x here, which is not there. That is why this is also not possible. 60 x power 5. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x power 5? It is Option C, 60 is the answer. Okay. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. It is over. I'll move on to the next problem. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, 2009. This is very, very important category. Yeah, important category. Right. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power 100 plus x minus y whole power 100 after simplification is. I'll tell you the short way of doing this after this detailed method. Okay. Now, the total number of terms in the expansion of. The total number of terms in the expansion of. Total number of terms in the expansion of. Okay, let me write the first one. X plus y whole power 100. How to write? This will start with 1, correct? And x power 0, sorry, x power 100, x power 99, like this, correct? And x power 98. You will not find any y power 0. If you add these two, you have to get the power. Y power 1, because you need to get 100. Everywhere it is positive. You need to write some coefficient here. Plus some number into y power 100 as the last term. Okay. Now, x minus y whole power 100, which is equal to x power 100, x power 99, like this. But because of this negative sign, you need to write plus, minus. For even power, you will get positive sign always. Yeah. For even power positive, y power 1 which is negative, right? Y power 1 negative. For even powers of y, you need to write the positive, okay? Y power 100. Now, add x plus y whole power 100 and this one. Add x plus y whole power 100 plus x minus y whole power 100. Now I want the total number of terms in the expansion. That's it. See here, if you consider first two, second term is get cancelled. Third and fourth cancelled. At the end, you will cancel with the total. How many number of terms are there? Till here it is 100. Until 100 terms it will be cancelled. Okay. 100th term will get cancelled. So how many left out in these? ಈ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ? 50 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಇದೆ, 50 ಆಡ್ ಇದೆ, 50 ಈವನ್ ಇದೆ. 50 ಆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ, 50 ಆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಈವನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿತು. And we will left out with one more term, that is the last one, plus 1. The total number of terms will get it as 51. Option A is the answer. Now I will tell you how to answer it very easily. Just you do one thing, take that power 100, right? Divide by 2, that is 50, and make it 1 more than that. 51. When you are adding these two, okay, let me tell you for other cases also, because you have to be very careful when the power is even and odd. If this is the formula when the power is even, when the power is even, when the n value is even, okay, when the n value is even, you divide that by 2 and add 1, that is 51. If the power is 101, okay, in that case, 101 terms is there. Number of terms will be 102. 102. So it is plus 1 by 2. If it is odd, just add 1 and divide by 2. So we will get 51 only for this, for 101 terms. Okay. If it is even, n by 2 plus 1 formula. If it is odd, n plus 1 by 2 formula. Okay. Let me attend some other problems which is appeared in the examination. Please answer this. Question number 15. Power is odd. 9 plus 1 divided by 2. That's it. Yeah. Next question. Yeah, let me try any problems which of the similar type of examination problems. 2017, try to solve this. Yes, when it is odd, 47 plus 1 by 2, 24. Next. 2019, see here, 2017, 2019. Very good. 26 by 2, 13, option B. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The constant term, let's see constant term problems. Constant term in the expansion of 1 minus 1 by x whole power 10. Yeah, when it is, Nisarga is asking, sir, in the middle term, if it is minus is there, what we have to do? Yeah, if the power is odd, nothing to worry about that. If it is even, then you have to think of that problem. Otherwise, no need to worry about positive or negative sign. Yeah. Let me move on to the problem number 16, the constant term. Right. So if you remember that whole power 10, then you will answer directly. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 like that. And let me check if the whole power 10 is there, how many terms will be there? T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10 and T11. One more than this, right? 11 terms will be there. And the constant term you will get in the middle term. Why? Why I have taken middle term only? Because this x and x will cancel only in the middle term. These two x will get cancelled. Then only you will get constant term. I need to calculate T6. What is T6? It is T5 plus 1. Right? How to write T5 plus 1? It is 10C5. Whole power 10 minus 5. Whole power 5. X power 5. 1 by x whole power 5. Here, because of this is a odd power, answer is minus 10C5. These two are get cancelled, x power 5. Right? Now, minus 10C5. How to calculate minus 10C5? You need to write 10 into, you have to write the 5 terms from 10. That is 9, 8 in reverse order, 7 and 6. And write 5 in reverse order, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 and 6 cancelled. This is 4 ones are 4 twos are, 5 ones are 5 twos are. Now check the answer. So this is 4, 18 and 18 twos are 36 into 7. 2. The number end with 2 is the answer. I have answer, I think both end with 2 only. All of are end with 2. 21, 20, 21 plus 4, 25, 252 minus 252 is the answer. Yeah. Minus 252. Constant term, right? Okay, next. Try to answer this. Question number 18. Then we'll come back to minus 252 answer. Yeah. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole power n when n is equal to n is. Good. Yes, many of them are answering now. Good. Yes. Good. A, B. All are answering that A and B. Okay, let me tell you let me explain this problem, question number 18. It is very simple. See here. The number of terms in the expansion, if you put n is equal to 1, what is the answer? A plus B plus C whole power 1. Answer is, how many terms are there? How many terms? 3, right? 3. Okay. If you put n is equal to 1, 2 cancel 3. There is a chance of getting the answer in this one. This is no chance. 3 1 is there. If I put n is equal to 1, there is no 3. 50-50 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು problem. If you put n is equal to 1, we have 3 terms. ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ term ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there, right? And when you put n is equal to 2, a plus b plus c whole square, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Totally 6 terms. Now put n is equal to 2 in the equation. If I put n is equal to 2 here, I'm not getting 6 here. Therefore, C is not the answer. Option A. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೌದು, ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೋದು, ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Get the answer, try 0, 1, 2. Okay. Let me tell you one more formula. If you put n is equal to 0, option B no ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, option D ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Right? n is equal to 0, 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ B ನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, 50-50 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾ. And I'll tell you the general formula. See, remember here. n plus n plus 2 C2. Right? What is the answer when it is a plus b whole power n? We have n plus 1 number of terms, right? N plus 1 C1. Correct? Is that right? Yeah, n plus 1 C1. Answer for this is n plus 1. N plus 2 C2. If you have 3 terms, right here 2 and 2. If you have only 2 terms, then write 1 and 1. Right? Yes, Pallavi, you can raise your hand. I can unmute you.
Sir, that last problem, sir, x minus a whole power 47 and minus x plus a whole power 47. Sir, that this problem.
Tell me. What is
So
the
there is a minus in between, no, sir?
Yeah. What happened? See here, T1, T2, T3, you will get a T48 terms, right?
Yes, sir.
T1, T2, T3, up to T48 is the right, 48 is there. You will
Yes.
get all are positive here.
Okay, sir.
And you will get minus here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus.
Okay.
And when you are subtracting this, you have to change the sign.
Mm.
And the first term, these terms will get cancelled. 24 terms will get cancelled,
Cancel.
and 24 terms will remaining.
Okay.
2 and T2 plus T2 will be 2T2, right?
Yes, sir.
That will not be considered as two different ones,
Okay.
right?
Thank you, sir.
Totally 24 terms are there. Yeah. Next. Let me move on to ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ n+1 C1 n+2 C2 ಆ ಥರ. Okay. Let's move on to the next problem. Question number 19. If A and B are coefficients of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n and 1 minus 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 respectively, then A by B is equal to. Okay. If A and B are coefficients of x power n, then what is the answer for question number 19? Tell me, what is that A by B? A is the coefficient of x power n. B is the coefficient of x power 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. Yeah. Good. Many of them are answering that it is answer is 1. Which is wrong. Okay. Let me try. Let me explain. Okay. Right. So if I expand this 1 plus x whole power 2n, if I expand this, what I get? 1, here it is x, nc1 x power 1, nc2 x power 2, nc3 x power 3, 2nc1 x power 1, because the power is 2n, right? 2nc2 x power 2, whatever is there here, correct? Two ncn x power n. If you continue this, you will get last term as 2nc2n x power 2n. This is how you have to expand this. Now, if you expand 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1, you will get 1 2n minus 1 c1 x power 1. 2n minus 1 C2 x power 2. Similarly, 2n minus 1 Cn x power n. Similarly, 2n minus 1 C2n minus 1 x power 2n minus 1. Okay. Now you take the coefficient. What is a here? This is what the a coefficient of x power n. Okay. And 2n minus 1 Cn is what? Coefficient of x power n. That is called b. This is b. Now a by b is equal to, what is a? 2ncn. 2ncn. 2n minus 1 and cn. Is that okay? Now, right? Then we'll calculate this. No, if you put n is equal to 1, you will get a coefficient of x power 1. That may not be equal to the required answer. Right? It may be false if that is the case. Yeah. I think you cannot generalize it. Now let me take x square coefficient. What about then? Right? If I put n is equal to, how much I have to take? 2, right? I have to take n is equal to 2 here. If that is the case, 4c2. I take 2, 2 to the 4, 3c2. How much 3c2? It is 10 by 3. See here, I got 10 by 3 as a by b, which is wrong. I put n is equal to 2. Okay. That is why I am doing in detail. Right. 2ncn formula is what? 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 minus n, that is n minus 1 factorial into n factorial. These two are cancelled. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ತರ n and n minus 1 which differs by 1. You can cancel these two. Wherever the bigger number is there, you just write n. That number you have to write again. It is equal to 2n divided by n, which is equal to 2. That is right. Option B is the right answer. Yeah, what is 4c2? What is 4c2? 2 2s are 4c2. 1 4 6 4 1, right? This is 4c0, 4c1, 4c2. Oh, it is 6, right? Okay, okay. Yeah, we are getting the answer, right? Good. I don't think so. For other problems, it may be wrong. Let me check for 3. If it is so, let me put that the same number, okay? 2n. If I put 3 here, for n it is 3. 3 to the 6c2. Yeah, 6c2 is 10. And if I put 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5c2. What is 5c2? 6c2 is different. 1 6 20. It is 20. Yeah. 5c2 is 10. Correct. Yeah, I think you can try. Good. No problem. This what you are telling, it is applicable only when it is 1 plus x. Okay. Not for any other problem. Yeah. N is equal to 2 is the answer. Got it? Right. Let me try the similar kind of problem if it is there. Problem of the same type. Yes. No, this is a little bit different from that. Let me solve this. Yeah, no problem. Question number 2014 question. 21, 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 44 are equal, then x is equal to yeah. Many of them are answering that it is 7 by 8. Yes, let me check. Okay, now 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 44. Yeah, let me expand this 44 1 plus x square plus with that 44c1, 44c2, 44c3 x power 3. If I expand this like this, the 21st term will be, this is t2, this is t3, t4. When it is I don't know, 21st term. What is 21st term here? 44c, one less than this. If it is 2 is there, I have to write 1. 4 is there, 3. 21 is there, 20 into x power 20. Right? 21st term. What is 22nd term? 44c 21, x power 21. Now they are telling that are equal. These two are equal. Then I think these two are middle terms, right? Exactly. See here, you can see here 44 is there. Yeah. 44c20 x power 20 is equal to 44c21 x power 21. To cancel this, we'll left with x only. Now 44c20 divided by 44c21 is equal to x. Okay. Now I will tell you one small trick. You can get the answer directly. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ 44 ಅಂತ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 20 ಇದೆ 21 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ 20 ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 21 ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ನ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ you have to select that. Which one is greater? 20 na 21 na? It's 21. That you write it in the numerator. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. If it is in the numerator, try to write it in the denominator. Okay. Then whatever the smaller number is there, you have to subtract with the n value, that is 44 minus 20. That will give you the x value. 24. 7 by 8 answer. Technique godaita direct bariyodu. The technique is important. Whichever greater is there, you try to shift it to the opposite side. That is, if it is in the denominator, write it in the numerator. If it is in the numerator, try to write it in the denominator. Then whatever the small number is there, you subtract from the n value. 44 minus 20. That you have to write it in the denominator here. Okay. X value is 7 by 8. Right. Let me move on to the similar kind. Yeah, first two problems are over. 3 over, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, 17. Notice, similar type of problem. Just now I have explained you. Its coefficients are equal. When the coefficients are equal, when they are in the middle term, they are equal, right? Equal is the answer. Yeah, standard result. Remember. Or else you can write it down, no problem. If x power p is there, what is the coefficient? P plus q c p. This is p plus q c q for x power q, right? And these two are equal because NCR, if you know the formula for NCR is equal to NC n minus R, you can write this as P plus QC, P plus Q minus Q. Here, both are same. Therefore, it is equal. Okay. Now, question number 20. Yes, let's move on to question number 20. Try to answer this. Yes, answer this question. No calculator. No usage of calculator in CET. Option 1, no. Yes, Bhumika, you are right. Okay, Shivank, you are right, correct. Yes, let me explain you. See here, if you see this kind of cube and all, just you write down 18 plus 7 whole cube. Higher power you have to concentrate. See here, 3 power 6 is there, and here 64. That I can write it as 2 power 6. In that case, this is 3 plus 2 whole power 6. Right? Next. Now I want to 25 whole power 3. 5 power 6. 5 square whole power 3. Option C is the right answer. Yeah. Got it? No need of calculator. What, Sanjay? There is no need of calculator. You have to calculate like this. This is what the advantage of binomial theorem. Right. See the power, higher power. Just rise that. Add and rise. Okay. Next. Now 2011 problem. Alternate series is there. Tell me what I have to substitute if alternate series is there. Tell me what we have to do if alternate series is there. Put x equal to what? Exactly, -1. Very good. All of you are following them. Yeah. Put x equal to -1 and get the answer. If I put x equal to -1, +1 -1 cancel, +1 -1 cancel. 0. Option D is the answer. Correct. Got it? Yeah, option D is the answer. Next. Yes, try to solve this Karnataka CET 2010 question. Yeah, many of them are answering that it is option A. Okay. Let me check. X power R is there, right? How to get the coefficient of x power R? It is just simple. 15CR. That's it. Coefficient of x power R. What is x power R plus 3? 15CR plus 3. That I have to write the same thing, right? Here and here. That is why. Now I have to calculate the value of R so that these two are equal. Now tell me, suggest me any one value. If I put that value here, I have to get both have the same coefficients. Try it out because they have given 4 values. Here, if I put a 15, if I put 8, what is 15 minus 8? If I put 8 plus 3, 11, 15C, 11. No, 8 is not the answer. 15C7, 15C10. These two are equal? No. If you add these two, you must get 15. Then only the answer is right. Here, 15C8 is there. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8 is not 15. That is why. 15C4 and 15C4 plus 3, 7. If I add it, no. D is the answer. You can check it out. 15C6 is there. 15C9. See here, if you add these two, you will get 15. Right? Yeah, that is what I am telling. If 15C6 and 15C9 both are same. Why? Using this, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Using this formula. Try to solve this. Question number 23. Are equal. X power 7 and x power 8 coefficients are equal. That is, how to get x power 7? To get x power 7, you will get x 3 power 7 here. Right? If this is 7, power is 7, this will be NC7 because this is the second term. And this 2 will contain n minus 7. Correct? You subtract ಮಾಡಿ first term ನ power ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ NC7 2 power n minus 7 into x by 3 whole power 7, which is equal to, they are telling that its coefficients are equal. Okay. Now, what is that? NC8, 2 power n minus 8, x by 3 whole power 8. Okay. Now, what are the coefficients? NC7 divided by NC8, which is equal to 2n minus 7, 2n minus 8 cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ? n minus 7 ದೊಡ್ಡದ n minus 8 ದೊಡ್ಡದ? Which one is greater? n minus 7 or n minus 8? n minus 7 is greater. When you cancel this, we're left with 2 power 1 here. Okay. That I will take it to the denominator, 2 here like this. And 3 power 8, 3 power 7. If I cancel this, that will be left with 3. That will be here only. And yeah, you have to take the coefficient of these two. You should not consider x power 7 and x power 8. You have to leave that. Okay. Now this will be 1. I have told you that shortcut. If these two are equal and if the difference is 1 here like this, then write the biggest number in the power and n minus 7 in the denominator. 1 by 6. 55. N value is 55. Option B is the right answer. Correct. That is right. N is equal to 55. This is what the shortcut. If this is 7, 8, whichever is greater, you need to write it in the numerator. That is what we have applied in the previous problem, right? 8. 8 ಅಂತ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 7 ಮತ್ತು 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ. 7, 8 is there, you just write 8 in the numerator. And you have to subtract these two, write it in the denominator. Okay. Then simplify. Cross multiply. 48 is equal to n minus 7. N is equal to 48 plus 7, that is 55. Right? Next question. Question number 24. X power 5. Very easy actually. ಏನು ಈ ಕಡೆ x ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಈ ಕಡೆ a ಅಂದರೆ 2a ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, whole power 5 answer. Right? Option C. Highest power ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ what to do. Right? Next question. Try to answer this coefficient. ಬರೀತೀರಾ 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. What I have to write? A power 5, A power 4, A cube, A square, A constant. B ಬರಿಬಾರದು. B power 1, B square, B cube, B power 4, B power 5. Correct? Now A square, B cube. It is there here. What is its coefficient? 10. Option A is the right answer. Yes. 29. Yeah. Independent term and term independent of x, constant term, all are same. Constant term, all are same here. Yeah, you can answer this question. the expansion of the term independent of x. Yes, I'll tell you how to calculate R value using shortcut. ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ I'll tell you one easy shortcut. Okay, yeah, R is equal to ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪವರ್ ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 18. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ divide by. Now, what is the after writing this 9 2s are 18 minus, try to get the answer from this. Okay, I'll show you how to calculate directly if it is in the general form. Okay, then I'll come back because it will be very difficult to explain that result. 18 minus 0, yeah, 18 minus 0 divided by 3, that is 6 is the R value. R value is 6 here actually. Okay, let me tell you how to write that when there is a general form. General form ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. I'll tell you that idea. How to find out that constant term, right? Term independent of x. Actually, ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 0 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. The term independent of x ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, the coefficient of x power 0 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, right? If you want coefficient of 0, you have to write 0 here, right? And then you have to take the coefficients, that is 2, its degree is 2 and its degree is 1. 2 plus 1 here, that will give you 3. Okay, let me explain you once again. No, middle term is not the constant term here, remember, because middle term is not the middle, because here x square is there, right? X square is there. Let me explain once again. To find the value of R, you need to multiply these two. 9 2s are 18 minus. You need the coefficient of what? X power 0 divided by. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. X power 3 ಇದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, X power 2 ಇದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, X power 5 ಇದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I want X power 0 because it is independent term. Divided by, what is coefficient of X power 2, and here it is X power 1 is there, right? That is 2 plus 1. 18 divided by 3, answer is 6. Now you can calculate T6 plus 1. T7 is the answer. Calculate and find out the answer. Right. T7 calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Calculate T7. What is T7? It is 9C6. 3x square by 2 whole power 3 minus 1 by 3x whole power 6 only, right? What is 9C6 and 9C3? Both are same. 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 3 and here 3 power 3 is there 27. Yeah, if I cancel this with this one, I get 27 in the denominator. X square, x power 6 and x power 6 will get cancelled. And this will be 2 power 3 in the denominator, that is 8. And this will be a positive 1. Yeah. So this I can write it as 9C3 into 1 by 3 power 3. And this is 2 power 3, 6 power 3. Option A is the right answer. Now, how it is 7C6? You have to take the n value. This n value is, you have to take, right? Over. Next question. Question number 31. Find out the constant term. Yeah, when these two powers are same, that will be in the middle term. No doubt. In the middle term only. You can answer this. Try to get the answer. Over. Yeah. How to calculate here? T, to find out this, 16 into 2, that is 32, divided by 2 plus 2, 4, 8, T8, T9 we have to find out. That is 16C8. Option A. 16C8 is the answer. Correct. Yeah. That is over. Okay. Right. That is an end of binomial theorem. Yeah. Those who have doubt, you can raise your hand. I can allow you to speak here. You have to raise your hand. That is what the 9th term is, the middle term in that one. Triveni. Yes, I think all of you enjoyed the class with many shortcuts, right? Next. In the next session, we'll take up trigonometry, right? And then straight lines. And you will have for the test for the test you will have complex numbers and quadratic equations, sequence and series, binomial theorem, trigonometry, and straight lines. Okay, all these it will be in the Karnataka feed that test which is conducting by DSU at the weekend. Yeah, you can attend that through Google form. Yeah. Right, thank you. You can give some suggestions if you have any. So, right. We'll meet in the next session. Yes, Prajwal. Yes.
Ready, sir?
Right, so it is completed. You can.
Okay, sir. Close ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Sir, close?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.